Welcome to Cooking with Dragons. My name is Roark. This is a late night episode, kind of, depending on what time this goes up. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a Big Mac at home. Alright, so first thing you'll need, you'll need some minced onions. So the first thing you're going to need is some minced onions. It's good if you've prepared these in advance, but I'm doing this on the fly. But it should be ready by the time the balls but it should be ready by the time the burger meat is done. So, but yeah, if you didn't know, McDonald uses dehydrated onions for a lot of their burgers, especially the Big Macs, and then you just add a little bit of water to it. So you do the same thing with minced onions, and you have the same onions that they have for their burgers and stuff. But yeah, so you'll need some kind of container for them. This is a new one, and this is a brand new bottle. Now, because this is just for me, I don't think I'll need that much, but just add a good amount. This should be good. A little more. All right. And the next thing you do is just fill it with some water. Cold water. And that's all you need to do, really. And then once we got the burgers ready, we'll just drain. And then once the burgers are ready, we'll just drain it, and then we'll be able to use it. All right. We're basically rehydrating the onions. That's what we're doing. So now we'll grab the burger meat. This is the burger meat from the last episode. I try to use it as soon as I can because you only got so long to use burger meat, especially when it's not frozen. But I like it when it's not frozen. All right. Right. And these will be smash burgers. Because you gotta get them as thin as the patties that they use, but yeah. And if you're wondering what that loud noise is, that air condition, that's my heating system. I can't really control that. It turns on and turns off when it wants to. I'll have to look into some kind of noise canceling thing so it only hears me or something. Yeah. Alright. Now we season up the balls. Although, if you never worked at McDonald's, they season their burgers after they're done cooking. Kind of roll that seasoning in there. I like a good seasoned burger. Alright, now we'll get the heat going. Get some olive oil into the cast iron. Spread that around. Get the heat going. Actually get a bigger pan. So for the middle bun, I'm going to be using these bagel thins here. They are just thin enough to do the job. Right. Get That toasted. It's good to toast them while the pan is heating up. That way they don't burn as fast or as bad. They don't stick to the pan either, so that's a good thing. Alright. Just lightly toasted. Right. Now we'll get the burgers in there. Oh. Alright. I'm ready. I'm ready. Oh yeah, just about done. On the first. Burger number 2, away! Alright. Now we'll assemble the burger. Like I said, just drain that water and then there we go. We got some rehydrated onions there. Alright. Alright, so first thing is first. We need a little bit of Thousand Island dressing. We'll put it as a rim around the donut. Well, put it on there first. Right. So now we put on those onions. Just grab a nice handful or however many you like and just add that on there. that on your middle bun as well. And okay. You don't really put any sauce on the top bun. Add a little bit of lettuce. And some pickles. I have Grillos. These are pretty good pickles. A few pickles. Add your burgers. Now we add the middle bun. Add some more pickles. And your last thing. Alright. And crown your Big Mac. And that's actually big. Now just add a touch of olive oil to the top. Because I don't have a sesame seed bun. Which is the only thing missing for making it Big Mac. Brush that around. So hopefully make the sesame seeds stick. And I have black sesame seeds, because why not? And there we have an actual Big Mac. Alrighty. I'll see you at the table. Alright, and I'm back. And here we have the Big Mac. I didn't almost call it a Whopper. Alright, let's try it out. Kinda gotta grab this one. Oh, heck yeah. Nice and juicy. Definitely has the quality of a Big Mac, but a lot fresher. Yeah, it works. All right, Big Mac, check it out. Or you can go to McDonald's and get it if you want to. I just, you know. Thank you for watching. My name is Roark for Cooking with Dragons. We are exploring the world of food. See you next time and keep on feeding the fire.